Hello everyone. Today I will say to you about the inverter welding machine. As you know, before we understand the words inverter welding machine, we also know about the welding machine. Welding machine is very simple. It's a power source. It's a power source about 50 or 30 volts and a high ampere. You know that when we have a welding machine 200 ampere. Yes, we have 200 ampere. Yes, 200 ampere. Thus, it means that we have a power source at 50 volts and 200 ampere. It means that when the inverter welding machine we have also the same, but when the welding machines uses by transformers, low frequency transformer. This is the same. The technology of the transformer, it is air silicate, iron silicate. When we want to change to the transformer, we have the ferrite transformer. It is when to understand about the welding machines, we know it's the power source. It's just like that. We have the power like this. It is the power 24 volts and 5 ampere. And welding machine is 25 volts and 2,200. Sorry, it is 24 volts and 200 ampere. Is the main bar power bar of inverter machines. This is it's either dry module of the inverter welding machine. Is a river bar of the welding arc tip machine 250 ampere. MMA 250 ampere. And we also have some other bar. We have this is 250 ampere machine. This is a transformer, full transformer. This is divide 50 divide 7. I have sorry to repair some machine. We have a lot of power MOSFETs. K2611. 2611 auto SIPA welding machine. To understand the welding machine, we must understand the power inverter. We have to understand the operation of the power source. It controls some components like this. I will show you the welding machines like this. In the picture, in the right, we have the arc 200 300 ampere DC inverter arc welder. As we have the inverter welding machine. Is the combination Of is each structure is same. Each structure is same. The power source like this. Power source is how the is convert the AC power source to DC, and from DC is let's convert inverse to AC in high frequency. Frequency is also have transformer, but this transformer is phone transformer. The transformer like this, you know, the transformer in high frequency like this, you know, like this. Transformers like this, 22 divided 4. This is divided 22 divided 4. I have a lot of transformer. Is broken. You know, we also have the other transformer. This image from Ferris. The very machine normal is the same like that, but the high power, high ampere. So that's the size of the transformer in very machine very big in low frequency. But on the other hand, when we change inverter, the size of the transformer in inverter very machine is very small. You know, I repair a lot of machine in Vietnam. Most of them from China, and some of them it's from Japan. You know, I have a Panasonic machine. You know, some most machine I repair here is from China. And the inverter welding machine of China very developed very I don't know how to explain this in English. And I must be difficult to share about all of you about who are not native speaker English, but some other from Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, or other country that use inverter welding machine. You Chinese inverter welding machine. Chinese welding machine. How we share the power, we share the knowledge, we share the experience in repair, and welding machine. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that I and you will match a lot of video machine about repairing the machine, and I also convert some this machine such like this machine from MMA machine. I will convert it into three functions. You know, when we are one machine at 300, I convert into TIT 300 and plasma plasma 60 ampere. You know, I will convert it into the machine as three function. You know, three function: arc, this, and plasma. Yes, I will convert it into some connector, some phones. Thus, I have a connector function. When we MMA, we connect this together, this together, and this plasma function we connect in the parallel shells. Yes, parallel is C, parallel and synergy. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. This is the first video I made. It's a loss of files. Please forgive me, and I will. Please forgive me, and please
Please give me attention, give me attention, give me your idea, like or dislike about my video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.